How to sign in into your Adobe account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Adobe account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and search for Adobe. After you search for Adobe, you can head over to the website. Directly head over to adobe.com as well. After you do that, on the top right corner, you'll find an option that says Sign In. All you have to do is tap on the sign in button. After you tap on the sign in button, it will take you to this sign in section where you will have to type in your email address. So just type in your email address. You can directly continue with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple account as well. Shall just continue with my Google. You can type in your email address here and then tap on continue as well. So I'll just choose this account and tap on continue, and this will log me in into my Adobe account. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.